Good morning guys, welcome to Lanzarote, and today we're off to Orzola. Got the day off work, got the car packed, got the drone, got the boy, got the missus, flippers, got the snorkel, got the lot. So we're off for a venture up the other side of the island. I thought we'd bring you along for today. Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang. Right guys, we've just come up to a little beauty spot on the right, so I've pulled in. Lanzarote at the moment, if you're out in public, you've got to wear a face covering. Just put a mask on. These are a bit choppy, but very pretty. I've just pulled up a car park out by Orzola. Absolutely stunning out here. White beaches, clear blue sea. Very lucky. You've got the mountains. Well, I'll show you now. Look, you've got the mountains in the background, and then you got the clear blue sea over there. Okay guys, we just turned up at Orzola. He's happy in the background there, look. Give us a wave, Happy. So it's stunning scenery on the way. Just a little fishing village, so we're going to have a look for something to eat now after lunch. And then hopefully we'll have a dip in the water on the way home. Cool off. There's a bit, well, I think it said 29 in the car.
29?
29, yeah. Get top of the menu there.
Oh,
Do they do barracudas?
So in our best Spanglish, we've just ordered 3 tuna sandwiches, an appetizer,
an apple juice,
and a barraquito.
Because Wales play Scotland, and we just watch that. Nope, never ran over.
Unfortunately, there's a bad smell of drains in the car. Okay guys, we spied a spot from the road. It looks nice. Little cove just down over there. Well, it don't get much nicer than that, guys, does it? That's awesome. That was a big wave, quite a bit of a rip. Oh, a bit stony. Bit rocky in the foot. I'm not going to go out to my depth because I don't know the sea. So we beat it. can hear me guys through the case, but it's not a swimming beach. You can feel it taking you, so I'm not going to go out to my depth, and I'm going to go swimming, and I'm not going to be swept out to sea. I'm going to be sensible. Very rocky underfoot. The last thing we're going to do is go out and be smashed against them on the floor. But we're having a dip, and that's it, up to the waist. Shelves off quite a bit by here as well. You can feel it taking my legs now. Yeah, so that's it. We've been in, got wet, and that's enough. Right guys, I don't know what you picked up while you were in the case, but that is not the swimming beach. It shelved off quite a lot, and then just as you went on that shelf I could feel a rip taking me quite a bit, and then when the set was coming in it was quite big, so, and there was loads of rocks in the ground, so you would have got battered, bruised, swept out. So option is go up to have a dip and get out. It was very nice, but we got wet. We've had an adventure today, so
Brilliant. Beautiful beach.
on to the next bit. On your way past, just pop into Lidl's. I just want a few things.
Yeah, I could tell.
Boot full of shopping later. Right, that's it guys. Well, hope you enjoyed the day out. Just thought give me something to do, bit of filming, bit of practice. Thanks for coming along. Catch you on the next one.